In this video, we're going to learn how to solve the JAMB Physics repeated questions for the subtopic source of light under light energy. So we're going to practice with 7 repeated questions for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first one I have here says, the main difference between luminous and non-luminous objects is that luminous objects are always hot, no reflect light from other sources, no are always visible in the dark, no emit their own light. Correct. So the right option is option D, emit their own light. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says non-luminous objects can be seen because they are polished, reflect light, and near emit light. So the correct option is option B, they reflect light. Non-luminous objects, they don't actually emit their own light, rather they reflect light from other sources. So the correct option here is option B, they reflect light. The next question is this one. It says, which of the following is a type of incandescent light source? The correct option in this question is option B, tungsten filament lamp. Alright, so a tungsten filament lamp is a typical type of an incandescent light source. Alright, so the next question will be this question. It says, which of these sources of light is non-luminous? So we have option A, fireflies, option B, sun, option C, moon, option D, stars. So the correct option in this question is option C, which is moon. Moon is a non-luminous source of light. It does not emit its own light, rather it reflects light from the sun it gets. Alright, so the next question with this one, it says, which of the above is a natural source of light? We have moon, sun, street lights, stars. So for the options we have, the right option here will be option, let's check, it will be option A. II, sun is correct. IV, stars is also correct. So correct option is option A, sun and stars. A street light is not a natural source of light, though moon is also included, but from the way the options are arranged, the correct one will be option A. Alright, so the next question will be this question. Which of the following is not a natural source of light? We have stars, sun, moon, torchlight. It's obvious. The correct option is option B, torchlight. The last one, before I call it a class, says non-luminous objects can be seen because they emit light, no are polished, reflect light, and yes, the correct option is option C, they reflect light. So this basically can do problems involving source of light under light energy for your JAMB Physics. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by hitting the join button to become part of our community. Then our channel membership, we share special information that helps to simplify academic work. So join us today. I'll be glad you did. Having done that, click on the screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.